So friends, in Form 26AS or under the tax deducted X source, you will find an entry called BLRA15403D, which is a TAN of the deductor. So you might be wondering what exactly is this. So basically, this is the TAN of the India Income Tax Department, Bangalore office, and this is primarily because you got a refund here, and income tax is providing a refund. So this is a tax on top of your refund. So this 66 in this case will be refunded back to you or any amount that is listed down here. So don't worry about this. This is TAN, again, a TAN of the Income Tax Department Bangalore office, and this is a tax on your refund or the interest that is paid by the India Income Tax Department. So in case if you are getting an refund, this is a plus point. So I hope it clarifies for you, and do let me know in case if you have any questions, and you will find the same entry under your Form 26AS as well. Thank you and keep watching. Bye.